Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get the Frisbee and play in Avatar World. So the Frisbee is one of the coolest interactive items in Avatar World, and here I'm going to show you the exact locations of the Frisbee and how you can make your characters actually throw it. So first, for the location, you just need to go to these playgrounds right here. Just go to that location. Okay, so I've already inside the playground. Now you can just swipe until you spot the Frisbee. It is located in one of the, okay, this one's right here. So if you want to make your characters throw it, here you can just bring it to the player that you want to throw the Frisbee. For example, I think I'm going to just go with, let's see. Okay, this boy is right here. Just give it to him. Give it to your character like this, and then you can just click on this icon to throw it, to throw the Frisbee like that, and the other players will try to catch it. You can just repeat the same steps to throw it back again. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks.